welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in and welcome if you're new. Okay, so as you can see, today's video is going to be a wig install. Julia Hair did send me some hair and came in this box, so thank you for sponsoring this video. And inside the box is a wig cap. I will be using this, and the adjustable band. It has already adjustable straps in the wig, but this is just for, you know, extra security or whatever if you want it. Okay, so this is the wig on my head now. This is going to be a little different. I am really excited for this because I've never had a 4x4. Is this a 4x4? If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen. Anything I say wrong, I'll put it on the screen. But basically, it doesn't have full lace all the way from here to here. This is the only part where the lace is, which is why this is a great beginner-friendly wig, okay? This wig is really for beginners that, you know, just have a hard time with lace and blending the lace and cutting it off. Now you only have to deal with this little bit of lace right here. This wig is 150% density. I think it is. Like I said, if I'm wrong, anything I say wrong will be on the screen. So yeah, I'm really excited because I've never had a wig that was 4x4 and only have this lace right here, so I am really excited for that. And this is going to be real quick, easy, and simple because you only have to deal with this right here. And the wig does come slightly pre-plucked for you. You still want to make sure you clean your skin with 91% alcohol, even if the lace isn't all the way over here, because this part needs to be cleaned so the lace could stay in place. And also, you don't have to do the ball cap method with this wig. I mean, I have people who do it. You don't really have to necessarily do the ball cap method even if you had full lace, but it does look better when you do have a full lace. But this is not a full lace, so honestly it really does, you really don't have to do the ball cap method. Like, that's why I say it's very beginner friendly. I am not going to glue this down. I'm just going to put my Tresemme spray on it. This gives a really good hold. You guys know I've been using this. Little to no residue. Beginner friendly, hun. Okay, so I just tied it down so it can melt. An elastic band is better, like to melt it, but I don't know where my elastic band is. Oh, I think I forgot they sent one, but it's too late. I already put this on to melt it more in. And I'm not going to use this much here for my baby hairs. I just pulled some out so it don't get melted in, you know, with the rest of the lace. So yeah. Okay guys, so I went off camera and I curled like most of my hair, most of this unit. Now I'm just gonna curl this side on camera so you guys can see. You want to hold it after you curl it too, so it can really hold that curl and it'll last a little longer. I'm not really doing uniform curls. I'm just doing some big curls because I'm lazy. And the natural texture of this wig, not really curly. No, they say it's body wave, but you know. But you don't have to curl this wig. You can straighten it. And you don't even have to straighten it either. You don't have to do anything, to be honest, if you want. Like, honestly, it's really personal preference. Like, seriously. Honestly, what I need to do is cut some layers into it, but I don't have the layer thing. To be honest, I don't have that with me. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Please don't mind my background, please. When I'm recording, my room gets messy, okay? I just finished applying my makeup. So yes, I did cut some layers into this wig. I know I said I wasn't gonna do it because I didn't have the tool, the layer tool to cut it, and I was scared that I would mess it up. But it really needed some layers, in my opinion, to frame my face. So I cut layers in it with the scissors, and these are the layers here. Watch how that bang fall, honey. Period. Okay, so it was longer. I did chop it because it wasn't framing my face well. So I just cut it to frame my face, but it does not mean that you would have to cut it, because me and you have different faces. So it might frame your face well, but for me it wasn't framing my face well, so I cut it to my liking. And yeah, I just added my layers. This hair is really soft. It is really soft. I'm not gonna lie, like, I would definitely purchase this wig. I would go check them out, like, seriously. Like, this is pretty. This is pretty, and it's super soft. Oh, so yeah, guys, it's a yes for me. It's, like I said, it's a super beginner friendly wig. Like, you do not have to do much, okay? So if you're starting lace fronts for the first time, if you're starting trying out wigs for the first time, this is the one for you, okay? So I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you, Julia, here, for sending me this wig, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.